is,
child welfare.
admitted fact is that is the child is with the mother. It is your case that she is not with the boy is not with the mother.
The
Custody is
petitioner,
given to you.
number one, not permitted to visiting the
No,
correspondent.
that is what will be done by this court. Not this custody can't be given at this stage.
Even till today, education is spoil the education of the children. Petition number 2, my lord. Petition number 2 character is very bad. Already
This
allegation
court
is
will decide
bad.
her character in a
The,
in an
and
IA in a
the
petition
fail
filed
of
before this court.
future of the petition number 2.
The court below, by the order impugned, had directed the mother to hand over the custody of the child to the father within 1 month. Child needs to have both the love and affection of both the parents, and she cannot be tossed around from one parent to the other, as this may have traumatic and psychomatic effects on the child. Boy is in the custody of the mother. Another child is in the custody of the father. The father in his affidavit has stated that the wife is residing, the boy is residing with his maternal grandparents' house at Mathur, and the mother is residing at Bangalore. The court has come to the conclusion that the mother is not taking care of the child, as she is not residing with the son, and accordingly ordered the custody, interim custody of the boy to the father. And then counsel for the petitioner, mother submits that as per the order passed by this court, the father has exercised the visitation right. The boy is 8 years and is very much attached.
Confirmation, my lord, the boy is aged about 10 years now.
Aged 10 years, and who is very much attached to the mother. And counsel submits that at best the father can have the visitation rights, but a custody cannot at this stage cannot be given to the father. And counsel appearing for the respondent husband submits that the court below had rightly passed the order granting the custody to the father. Father is able to take care of the needs of the first child and he is doing well in his studies. And she is not able to provide best education facilities to the boy. Also submits that the character of the mother is not good, and it would not be good for the boy to stay with her.
I will not come in the
That
way.
is very unfair on the part of the mother.
No, mother is not like
No,
like that.
you retain,
No.
you have the custody of the boy.
Right, I am not opposing you.
happens?
All
If you ask the boy to speak to the uncle,
Going-
what will happen?
minor school going boy, my lord, that you let him visit and interact with the boy, my lord, there is no problem at all. You are also.
Nothing.
Every
Those kind
Sunday-
of restrictions can't be there.
Every Sunday,
Let the boy have the
15
have
days.
all the attachment with other family of the father also.
15
There's nothing wrong.
15 days.
No.
In an IA, how can the court say that custody be given?
No, my lord, the education most important
Whatever it
is
is,
child welfare.
Admitted fact is that is the child is with the mother. It is your case that she is not with the boy is not with the mother. The boy is with the grandparents. Mother is staying at Bangalore. No, the case of the mother is the other way, saying that no, she's also still in that place. No, all those things have to be decided in the main petition. No, in an interlocutory petition,
My
no,
lord,
you worked out your
no, my lord,
but
the
custody is given
petitioner,
to you.
number one, not permitted to visiting the
No,
correspondent.
that is what will be done by this court. Not this custody can't be given at this stage.
No, my lord, the trial court rightly passing the order, observe the above matter, and they said the petitioner not filed any objection in this application before the trial court. The trial court rightly passing the order, observe the both parties, both documents, and observe the arguments, clearly pass the order, my lord. No error passed by the trial court, my lord. The petitioner number one not resigning it, pit number 2. The petitioner number 2, education is not vesting. The petition number 2 is the custody of the petition number 1 our grandfathers. Even till today, education is spoil the education of the children. Petition number 2, my lord. 1 year in the year 2022, at the time, at the education, the petition number 2, educated studying in the Auxilium school before the Aulali. At the time of the education, the petitioner intentionally taking to petition number 2, my lord. Therefore, humble request this honorable court, the petition number 1 not interested to take care of the petition number 1, petition number 2, The humble request, this honorable court kindly, kindly allow the said, dismiss the said petition filed by the writ petition, my lord.
Allow it, you wanted.
Alala, dismiss the petition filed by the petitioner, my lord.
Please come. The present petition is filed. By
One
the
request,
ma-
my,
He can't, you are here, why the party?
that a request of very personal inconvenience, the petition number 2 character is very bad. Already
This one
allegation
is
is
different,
made.
Her character in an
And
IA, in a writ petition.
fail
filed before this
of
court.
future of the petition number 2.
Having heard the counsels on either side, peruse the entire material on the court. The father has filed a petition seeking custody of the child. Admittedly, as on the day when the petition is filed, the custody is with the mother. The boy is in the custody of the mother. They have two kids. The elder one is with the father and the younger one is with the mother. No, during the pendency of the guardian, the GNWC, when an IA is filed seeking interim custody, the court straight away cannot pass an order directing the interim custody of the boy from the mother to the father. It is the case of the father that the boy is staying with the grandparents. It is the case of the mother is that she is traveling from Madhur to Bangalore, from Bangalore to Madhur, and she's working in Bangalore
As teacher, MSc.
as a teacher. No, whatever the father says, and without a full-fledged inquiry, the statements that are made by the parties at this stage cannot be considered. This court had interacted with both the children had an interaction with both the children and the mother and father. It is so unfortunate that the elder child who is staying with the mother is completely reluctant to talk to the father, and the younger boy who is with the mother is reluctant to talk to the father. When that is the mindset of the boy at this stage, granting the custody of the boy interim in an IA, even before deciding the GNWC to the father, is not at all in the interest of the minor who is just 10 years old. All these aspects, whether the father is entitled for the custody or not, shall be decided by the court in the pending GNWC. As for now, the father stays in Bangalore and the boy is at Madhur. At best, the father can have the visitation rights. Now, if he can go on a Saturday and Sunday, both the days it would be granted, or else on a Sunday. He can go.
Saturday, Sunday, both.
My lord may
At this stage.
My lord may say 1 month once, your lordship, child
No,
mind
my
will be.
No, that is very
No, what has
unfair on the
happened now,
part
my
of
lord?
the.
No, I don't
that is
want to say
unfair.
anything, my lord. Let him have the right, my lord. I will not come in the
That
way.
is very unfair on the part of the mother.
No, mother is not.
No,
like that, my lord.
you retain,
No.
you have the custody of the boy.
Right, I am not opposing your lordship. All that I am saying is it must be limited to the child, your lordship, because what has happened, your lordship, during the course of this visit, my lord. He used to make a phone call and to ask the boy to speak to all unconcerned persons.
No,
your
my
lordship,
lord,
and spoil the
absolutely.
Okay,
One of the
if
issue,
he
my
says
lord.
so, one
Yes,
minute.
that is the one of
If he says so, what happens?
1 month once, my lord.
No, what happens? If you ask the boy to speak to the uncle,
Going-
what will happen?
Minor school going boy, my lord, that you let him visit and interact with the boy, my lord, there is no problem at all, your lordship.
Nothing, those
Every
kind of restrictions can't be there.
Every Sunday.
Let the boy have the
15
have
days
all
once.
the attachment with other family of the father also. There's nothing wrong.
15 days.
No,
once,
my
lord.
lord.
No,
Kindly permitted to weekly 2 days, my lord, and also permitted to school education purpose, my lord,
I'll take the responsibility of education.
education.
what did you write?
At this father can.
At best, the father can have the visitation rights. During the course of argument, land counsel for the petitioner Learned counsel, the respondent father submits that he is ready to bear the educational expenses of the younger child.
The education, care of the education. As the education, care of the education.
What does it mean?
ಅದು ಒಂದೇ.
Same thing.
What did you write?
Learned counsel for the student father submits that he is ready to bear education expense.
Educational expenses of the younger child who is with the mother. Hence, considering the same, in the light of the above discussion and considering all these aspects, this court is passing the following order. 1. The writ petition is disposed of. The father can exercise the visitation rights on every Saturday and Sunday during pending disposal of the GNWC. On a Saturday between, when is the school for the boy? He has a whole day school.
Yes, old day school, Saturday.
On a Saturday between 5 and 7. On a Sunday between 12 to 4 o'clock. 5
12 to
o'clock.
5 o'clock.
12 to 5.
Homework
on a-
and other things will be there, your lordship.
Huh?
5 o'clock.
Homework, child study, my lord, homework and other things will be there, limited to 2-3 hours, your lordship.
Between 12
That's
and
the
3.
reason, otherwise. my lord.
12 and 3.
12 to 5, man. Please.
The mother shall cooperate with the same. And if any lapses on the part of the mother in complying with these orders will be viewed seriously.